Hello friends, welcome to this new video, and in this video we'll be discussing about how to get free traffic for your affiliate offer. As we all know that free traffic is something which we all want for our affiliate offer, and traffic is something which is the lifeline of any online business. If you don't have traffic, then how good is your offer? That doesn't matter, and that's where this traffic comes into place. But there is also like if you are a beginner into this particular field, then you might not be knowing about how to run a traffic, like a paid traffic, or how to strategize the paid traffic ways as well. So that's where this free traffic comes into place. And I also strongly suggest that until unless you don't master in free traffic, don't get into the paid traffic, because there are a lot of people and a lot of viable options are there with different social platform wherein you can, if you're consistent and determined with your action, then you will definitely get a good amount of free traffic or organic traffic to your affiliate offer. That is what we are going to discuss in this particular video. So the first source of traffic that I use extensively for my affiliate offer to drive traffic to my affiliate offer is Pinterest. The reason why I do it, because Pinterest is something which very less people use it, or in fact I would say it is one of the untapped traffic source which most of us ignore it, or they are not aware of it. And if you see the stat, then Pinterest is the 14th largest social network in the world. As of Jan 2021, it has been regarded as the 14th largest social media platform. So you can see like there are 459 million monthly active user, and also 100 million active user who go ahead and like make purchase in this particular platform, or they engage with the content that is there in this platform. And since last year, the monthly international user figure has grown from to 46% by 46% in 2020. So this particular platform gives a lot of options, a lot of opportunity for a new marketer or new affiliate marketer, where they can go ahead and start using this platform to get a lot of traffic for their offer. And if I go to my uh, Pinterest account, and let me show you like how this has been able to help me. All right, so this is, I'm sorry. Yes, so this is my Pinterest account. So if you see, like in the last a few weeks, in fact, even I was not using this particular platform, but in the last 1 week, I have started using it, and you can see like it says 243 monthly views. So if I go to my analytics, I'll show you like since when I started actually. So if I show you my analytics, then you can see like from September 5th, as I said, like for the last 1 or 2 weeks, I've started. You can see that the traffic has increased considerably. You can see like 40, 50, 11, 37. So, but you have to be very consistent with this platform, and by posting valuable content. So once you do that, you will be able to get this kind of traffic, or the traffic will start increasing. So make sure that you use this platform in the right way, and definitely this platform will give you a good amount of traffic for your affiliate offer. All right, now going to the next method of free traffic is Quora. And as we all know, like Quora is one of the platform where people comes and ask questions about different topics that they wanted. So over there, you can answer those questions if you are aware of that, or if you have knowledge about it, because you can see like Quora has around 300 million monthly unique visitor, and 400,000 subjects are discussed on Quora. And also there are 190 million monthly active users. So you can see a huge amount of traffic is going to this platform, that is Quora, and you should make most of it. And you can see like people, those who are in LinkedIn, they use 2x time on Quora. So you can see like most of the professionals are over here on this platform. You can make it, and 35% of Americans use Quora. So there is a huge amount of opportunities, because as we know, the affiliate offer that we try to sell, most of the customers are from US. So you getting a sale is much more if you're using this platform the right way. Also, 54% of Quora user have annual income of over $100,000. So the traffic that is coming, or the tribe which is there in this particular platform, they can afford the product that you are selling, because most of the affiliate product that we offer ranges from 100 to $200, or like even if you offer them a high ticket product like $1,000 or $2,000, they might not think much on purchasing those products. So make sure that you use this platform very effectively. And let me also show you my stats on this particular platform. This is my account. If I go to my stats, your content and stats, you can see I have got 1,100 or 135, 1,135 views in the last 1 month. And if I go to all time, you can see like I've got 1 lakh or 193,753 views. So this is a huge amount of views that I'm getting for my content for the last 1 year, or for all time, you can say. And even I was a bit inactive, but recently I have been very active in this, and I have been starting getting a lot of eyeball on this on my platform. So this way what happens is that people ask you a lot of questions. People come with their questions. You can see like they will ask questions on different topics. So when you are aware of that answer, you can answer them, and when you answer them, you can also leave your website link or your landing page link by which you can collect their email ID, or which you can direct them to your website. So that way you can generate a lot of free traffic using this Quora platform. So make sure that this particular platform is also in your list as far as free traffic is concerned for your affiliate offer. All right, now going to the third and the final free traffic is nothing but Facebook profile. It's not Facebook, guys. It is Facebook profile, because when people see your answer, when you're answering some questions or you have posted something very interesting, most of the time, 90% cases, they will look into your profile, and that is where you need to capture them, or you need to make them your lead. So optimizing your profile page is very, very important, because if you optimize your profile page, Facebook profile page in the right way, then that acts as a landing page for yourself. And as we know, like Facebook allows us up to 5,000 friends. So you have the option wherein you can add those 5,000 people who are like-minded, who are maybe interested for your offer. You can add them and you can make them going ahead a paying customer. But make sure that before making them a paying customer, you help them, you go that extra mile and create a community and create a name for yourself, create a brand for yourself, so that they trust you, and after that, whenever you offer them, they go and like purchase it. And also make sure that whatever product you are offering them, that should help them, to grow their business, that should help them to increase their productivity, that should help them to make them a better entrepreneur going here. So the offer that you are giving them, it should be congruent, it should be absolutely compatible to what they're looking for. So never ever offer a product which are absolutely of no use for them, because that way you are creating thinking, like creating an impression that this guy is just behind us to sell. So that doesn't make those kind of mistake, but make sure that you help them as much as you can. And after that, if you feel that they need that product or they need that software, then go ahead and like offer them. So let me show you my profile, Facebook profile. You can see my Facebook profile looks like this. Very simple, very clear picture of my name and what exactly I'm doing, entrepreneur, affiliate marketer. And you can see in my bio, I have a link. This is this, and when they see that, they most of the time they go and look into this particular, they copy paste it, and they once this is my landing page wherein I'm giving them 72 video course to become a affiliate marketer. So it's A to Z training of affiliate marketer. So where they can go ahead and watch this by just entering their email ID. So when they are into my ecosystem, I know that these people are really interested in affiliate marketing. So that way I nurture them, and I going ahead and I'm offer those products and services which may be helpful for them. So that way I'm creating a tribe for myself, a digital tribe, and also I'm creating a brand for myself, because I'm giving a free course to them, which is helping them. And at the end, I'm also getting like affiliate, I'm promoting affiliate offer to them, by which I'm getting income out of it. So that way, I'm on a win-win situation as for my tribe as well as for myself. So these are the platforms that I have been using quite frequently and extensively, and these are started giving a result to me. And if you use these platforms in the right way, in the right method, I'm sure this will help you as well. So thank you very much, guys, for sticking till the end of this video, and hope this video was helpful. And have a great day. Bye bye.